Hello! In this video, we introduce the BTP Compliance Manager, an integration solution that extends SAP document and reporting compliance to any ERP system for organizations managing compliance obligations across multiple jurisdictions and operating on a mix of ERP platforms. The challenge is getting clean, structured data into the compliance engine without slowing down every submission cycle. Crimson Partners BTP Compliance Manager ingests any data format such as Excel, CSV, XML, or live event streams via SAP Event Mesh by applying an intelligent transformation engine and delivers verified, compliant external documents directly into SAP document and reporting compliance. Now let's move into the system and see the BTP Compliance Manager in action. After login, the system displays a dashboard with a summary of the organization's compliance activity, historical data, and compositions, recent document mix by type and by country. Let's go to Documents function. The system segregates documents by country, aligning with each country's specific e-invoicing regulatory framework. This multi-jurisdiction support is core to a B2B SaaS compliance platform like Crimson Partners, which handles diverse regional mandates. For we consider UBL XML document for uploading, users can upload UBL XML documents directly into the platform. Universal Business Language is the standard XML format used in e-invoicing across compliance regimes and mandates. Once uploaded, the system performs automated validation checks. Every document entering the Compliance Manager passes through the 5 mandatory stages. If any document that does not pass goes no further, and the submitter receives a clear explanation of what failed and why. As we can see on screen, the uploaded file has progressed through each stage successfully. The transformation log shows the exact field mappings applied, the validation rules checked, and the schema the document was converted into, providing a complete lineage from source record to DRC submission. Every document passing through the BTP Compliance Manager carries a full status history. You can see exactly where it is in the pipeline at any point and what happened at each stage, including which validation rules were applied. You can preview the invoice by clicking on View Invoice tab and can see complete particulars of invoice. Furthermore, let's check the SAP status. A quick refresh updates the status, as you can see the status displays approved by tax authority. And the same is visible in XML format. And coming to admin side, the settings page lets you to change password and also displays API keys used. In summary, the Crimson BTP Compliance Manager solves a foundational problem in multi-system compliance, that getting data from wherever it lives into SAP document and reporting compliance. In a verified, structured, and auditable form, it accepts any format, transforms it intelligently, validates it rigorously, and delivers it cleanly, all without requiring changes to source systems or custom middleware for every new data source. By partnering with Crimson Technology Partners, you can move beyond piecemeal integration projects and establish a scalable, future-ready compliance data layer, one that adapts as new markets go live, regulations evolve, and your ERP landscape grows. Thank you for watching this demonstration. For more details, please reach out to our team or visit our website.